Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that x approach to number 0, y approach to number 0. So that means x plus y will approach to number 0. So I will put about x plus y equals to capital A, and we also know that A will approach to number 0. So we change this one into capital A, and this one we will put about capital A approach to number 0. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine 2b equals to 1 minus 2 sine b squared. So capital A, that's is about number 2 multiplied by 8 over 2. So we apply this formula in here, and this one should be about 1 minus 2 sine a over 2 square. We open the parentheses. One minus one, they cancel. Next, I will put about 1 over 4 on numerator and denominator. So this one we have a over 2 to the power of 2. So 2 divided by 4, we have 1 over 2. And this one we can write into like this. So we have the formula in here. When x approaches to number 0, sine of cs over cs equals to number 1. So c in here, just cs in here, just like this one in here. That's about 1 over 2. That's about c. So that means this one you will have about 1 square. And now we got about 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.